For this activity, we have taken two batteries of 9 volt each, two small pieces of connecting wires connected with positive and negative terminal of the battery in both the cases, and we have taken two LED bulbs which we have fixed them at a place. Now this time the distance of LED bulbs from the battery is same in both the cases. Now we will paste the connecting wires with the help of sellotape on the paper. Mind it, here the distance of LED bulbs is same from the terminals, from the ends of the connecting wires in both the cases. Now we will complete the circuit with the help of paint. Here this is negative terminal. And now we will connect the positive terminal with the end of the wire connected with the positive terminal of the battery. The same we will do in the other case. But here the paint, the line drawn by paint will be comparatively thicker. And similarly we will connect the other end. The only difference is the thickness in both the cases. Now you can see that the bulb is glowing in both the cases, but you can notice the brightness in both the cases. In first case where the line was thin, you can notice that the brightness is low, and where the lines are comparatively thicker, you can notice that the brightness is more. So you can connect this activity with the thickness of wire. The resistance is inversely proportional to the thickness of wire. Thank you.